Okay, this is my sink here. I have the water tank here, and I just drilled a hole in it. You can either pump it by hand or use the awesome water pump that I put in here. There it is. So I bought a dog bowl at the Kroger in Texas, drilled holes in it, put a funnel on the bottom, and attached it with Chris's industrial strength uh, um, windshield glue / sealant, and just put one of these drains at the bottom, and it just drains out. And then we have a battery over here hooked up to a switch, and you just flip the switch and it just drains out the bottom of the car. The battery's over here. I have a nice battery access. Just a 7 amp 12 volt battery. You can control the flow rate with this nice valve here. And it just empties outside. Go outside. I had to drill a hole in the wheel well. Right. That's what it went through. Yep. Dog bowl. Oh, and I'm here with the Myers. Hi.
Hey.
Okay, that's all.